Hey guys, so we're there set up now. So today we're going with two Nikon camera, one Z6 and a D750. Shooting with an 85mm lens. Akeem over there, so we're gonna do the video. Yeah man.
Outside, yeah?
Yes. Yeah, with the spine up on the spot, bro, you see it? Yeah man, venue look nice so far even though we're not going in. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm calling the bride now to let her know that we have a ride. Hello Wendy, good day.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm not bad. How about you? You good?
Good, thank you, yes.
Yeah, today is your very special day, right?
Today's her special day, so it's all our special day. My name is Charmaine, I'm one of the bridesmaids.
Okay, so we are outside. So yeah.
I'm watching my vlog. But yeah, me go up, the car that spin.
Oh. Yeah man, I will leave a patrol there so.
You download the Sir King card with Videographyer next media. Good luck.
Alright, big up in the people. You know, so your boy Dix meeting the people. And right now, we're on our way to Discovery Bay Central. Me and Akeem. Alright, see Akeem over there. Yeah, he's gonna do. What you gonna do today, Akeem?
Video.
He's gonna do videography today. See Dylan right here, driving.
Yeah, driving.
Yeah man, so you know, so you can stick around to the vlog here. Because I'm going to show you what's going on behind the scene and every little thing. So just stay tuned, people. Them always did and so what? Yeah. Below I will leave them. I'm a smile them I look for.
Alright, don't get
Blow a transport authority man. Blow at them take a people vehicle, you know.
Why this man stand up in the road?
Man, a whole heap of them.
Big up.
Blow. So a taxi now run today, no?
Yeah, man, I'm going here and get scared.
Yeah. Understand. Yeah.
But yeah, me go up, the car that spin.
Oh. Yeah man, I will leave a patrol there so. Just look out for them. Man.
Yeah, but them fuck.
Yeah. You know why they can't fix them with patrol them? Yeah people, so we approach Ouchi right now. Alright, we just reach sentence now people. It's the border. and we should reach at the wedding by 12 o'clock. We're an hour away right now, so it look like we're gonna early for the wedding. As long as no traffic not on the road, that's it. And we're gonna reach and set up and thing, that's it. That means we are going on. Yeah, people say that it's the next update. They are watching now, I see it. They are watching now. See that? What is it? Circle? Ada flag over there? Ada no yun. Sana Turco pa ako there. Yeah, right. That's some Turco. Yeah man, let's go there man.
Yo,
Reach over and how far are we?
we reach that place, man. Just reach.
How far then?
I just come on, you pass the backside and come down.
Not traffic not on the road man. Yeah, no traffic not on the road man.
You just
Guy gate, one security must be there bro.
yes sir?
Yeah man,
Alright,
it's guy gate. Look at the lady. Sometimes she have to tell them how. Yeah guys, so I'm calling the bride now to let her know that we have a ride. Hello Wendy, good day.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm not bad. How about you? You good?
Good, thank you, yes.
Yeah, today is your very special day, right?
Today's her special day, so it's all our special day. My name is Charmaine. I'm one of the bridesmaids.
Okay, so we are outside. So yeah.
You're outside?
yeah. So he was wondering if you could buzz off.
I'll come out and meet you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Yeah, people finally reach, I see. The big beast make reach quick and fast, I see me. Yeah man, quick and fast. See there people. Up on the ground, I see it people. See that? It's this villa we at today. Covering a wedding. It's Akeem over there, so we're gonna do the video in. Yeah man. Yes. Yeah, we're spying up on the spot, bro. You see it? Yeah, man. Venue look nice so far, even though I'm not going in. Yeah. I get some good drone shot. See bad driver there, you know. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we're there set up now. So today we're going with two Nikon camera. One Z6 and a D750, shooting with an 85mm lens and a 24-70. And we're going with this strobe today also. This is a Kodak AD600 BM. So You guys can stay tuned. I see Hakeem over here set up in video.
Set up, is it?
Yeah man, up and running. So this is what Hakeem? What gears are you using today?
I use the Sony ZVE one
Yeah.
on the DJI RS3 Mini. And that's the main one them should balance with the mic on it. I never tried it.
Okay.
I'm sure it can hold the amount of weight, but
You're gonna try it and say it work. Alright.
Just say, hi, I'm Wendy, I'm the bride. Hi, I'm Wendy, I'm the bride.
Don't move, don't move, let's get one. Everything count. You never know. Alright, 1, 2. Alright. I'm on the lighting, alright. 1, 2. Good.
Listen now, this is the whole thing from here. From checking from this one. Okay. So now I'm here.
If you don't know the song, you can call Videographyer. Go to Next Media.